Hello, folks, and welcome back. All right, to another minor unboxing here on my channel. Please feel free to leave a comment if it's so you feel inclined. I've already taken the tag off of that, so we keep a little privacy for the sender. Hit the like button by all means. If you like these videos now or just want to wait till the very end, sure, go for it. And subscribe to the channel. Just to smash that like button if you can. Feel free to interact and leave me a comment, and I'll try to respond to those as best I can, bearing in mind that I'm a busy individual, with like 2 real jobs and fam and all that, as I've said before. All right, so this is just a minor unboxing. I don't want to keep you all too long. What's there to say about this? Nothing. I think I know what it is, but yeah, let's not give it away. Let's just keep a little suspense going for everyone to enjoy. I hope these videos find you, on a break room somewhere from work, and you're kicking your feet up somewhere and relaxing for a few minutes. And, well, you know what? I've always considered myself to be a great shipper. Like, I've got great ratings on eBay and everything else for great packaging and shipping. But every once in a while, I just get a seller that has either packaged something to the same quality and standard that I've sent my stuff out in, or even better. And it's great because that way I just refine my technique, and I always feel like I'm always open to learn something new every single day. So it's a slab. No mystery there for all of you, I'm sure. There's no tabs, but there doesn't have to be because we have what's left of my fingernail here. Let's not comment on that. At least they're clean, right? All right, so here we go. Let's see. I think this is one of my, I obviously collect slabs. I've got raws, comics. I'm not really a card guy, but maybe video games here and there. This is a signature series, which is a preference of mine, I should say. Hold on a second, folks. All right, keeping in mind, some of you might be at lunch. Maybe it's break time. Maybe it's early morning and it's 10 minutes before you start work when you're watching this. Let's bear that in mind. Okay, that's right. Oops. I have a companion to this. Okay, let us get us situated here. 9.6 white pages. No, it's not a 9.8, but I'm okay with it. I'm all right. Everybody else out there and, in Slabland, just calm the F down. It is not that serious. I know there's a bunch of us in the community that are just fanatic about 9.8s and 9.9s. I love them too, but I'm just as happy about a 9.4 and a 9.6 as well. Or sometimes a 9.2. For me, it's really the color strike. It's the quality of the issue inside the slab. And that looks neat as can be. Yeah, so let's take that out of the bag. I'm glad some of you, if not one of you at least, suggested that. Let's take it out of the infamous old style CGC bag. See what the slab looks like up close. Oh, snap. I love it. I mean, of course, it's got that, Walter Simonson signature that we all look forward to. I think this is one of the newer slabs. I'm not sure. Maybe not. Let's see. This was signed 22. I can't recall. Doesn't matter. Looks great. It's no cracks as far as we can tell here. No pieces of debris inside. Thank you, shipping department at CGC, for getting that right and hopefully continuing to do so. As I film this, it's already March of 2024. So we're getting, maybe not past, but going through the last two, I don't know what we call it, issues with CGC that they've had, with the scandals that came out in the latter part of last year. So hopefully all that will get refined, and they'll hold everyone accountable that needs to be held legally accountable. So I'm a big Thor fan. Whosoever holds this hammer, if he be worthy, shall possess the power of Thor. Yes, I had to read that. I just always loved that as I was a kid. All right. And of course, second appearance of Beta Ray Bill, however we pronounce it. Nick Fury appearance, Thor number 126 cover homage. Man, Simonson's work never gets old. Let me turn this around again. All right, folks, that's it. That's the unboxing. That's the fun moment. That's the fun time. Again, I hope this video finds you in good health, in good spirits. If not, hopefully it helped to uplift your spirits. And please be safe out there. Be kind to one another as best you can. And take care of yourselves and each other. And I'll see you on the next one.